I just discovered that 75% of millionaires have multiple income streams. It's like they're playing a whole different game. You're probably thinking, what's their secret? Well, I've been exploring this topic, and I'm excited to share with you how to use AI to build a business while you work your day job. It's like having a superpower, but instead of flying or super strength, you get to create a passive income stream. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. AI has become so accessible that anyone can use it to automate their business. But, what does that really mean? Let's break it down. Business automation is like having a robot assistant that takes care of all the mundane tasks, so you can focus on the fun stuff. You're probably wondering, how do I even get started with this AI side hustle? It's actually pretty simple. You can begin by identifying what you're passionate about, and then find ways to use AI to create products or services around that passion. For example, if you love writing, you could use AI to generate content, or even create an ebook. And the possibilities are endless. With AI, you can create a whole business that runs on autopilot. It's like having a lemonade stand, but instead of standing there all day, you've got a machine that makes the lemonade for you. That's a pretty cool thought, right? But, how do you actually make money from this AI side hustle? Well, that's the best part. With business automation, you can create passive income streams that make money while you're sleeping. It's like having a money tree in your backyard, but instead of growing apples, it grows dollar bills. And the more you learn about AI, the more you'll realize that it's not just about making money, it's about creating a lifestyle. You get to be your own boss, work from anywhere, and pursue your passions. It's like being an entrepreneur, but without all the risk. As I've been learning more about this topic, I've come to realize that it's not just about the technology, it's about the mindset. You've got to be willing to take risks, experiment, and try new things. It's like being a scientist, but instead of testing hypotheses, you're testing business ideas. But, what if you fail? What if your AI side hustle doesn't take off? Well, that's the thing. With business automation, you can fail fast, and then try again. It's like playing a game, where you get to level up and try new things. And the community around AI entrepreneurship is amazing. There are so many resources, tutorials, and forums where you can connect with other like-minded people. It's like being part of a secret club, where everyone is working together to create something new and exciting. As we explore this world of AI-powered businesses, I want you to keep in mind that it's not just about the technology, it's about the people. It's about creating something that solves a real problem, or makes someone's life easier. It's like being a superhero, but instead of having superpowers, you've got a clever business idea. And that's what gets me excited, the possibility of creating something that truly makes a difference. It's like being part of a bigger movement, where we're all working together to create a better future. Now, as we start to wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought. What if you could create a business that not only makes you money, but also helps others? What if you could use AI to create a positive impact on the world? That's a pretty powerful idea, right? As I reflect on my own journey, I realize that I've been fascinated by the potential of AI to create positive change. And I think that's what drives many entrepreneurs, the desire to make a difference. It's like being part of a mission, where we're all working together to create something better. And that's where you come in. What will you create with AI? Will you build a business that changes the world, or just makes you a little extra money on the side? The choice is yours, and that's what makes this so exciting. So, as we come to the end of this video, I want to ask you, what's the one thing that's holding you back from starting your AI side hustle? Is it fear, lack of knowledge, or something else? Whatever it is, I want to encourage you to take the first step, and see where it takes you. And if you're ready to join the journey, and start exploring the world of AI entrepreneurship, then I invite you to subscribe to our channel, where we'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and insights on how to build a business with AI.